Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Here I have a Nokia 3650 that I'm going to, let's call it restoration. The phone is not quite that bad, but I accidentally started the camera. I want to do something about the white part of the body shell, and I'm going to change this blue front and battery cover. Since it's a bit roughed up, you can't see it now, but you will see it when I disassemble it. The phone works fine, other than that it just needs the body shell refreshed. And I've made a special paint for this one. I think you're gonna like it. So let's begin. So this is the phone's condition right now. It has its fair amount of scratches and hits and yeah. Well, anyway, let's turn it off. Oh, sorry, switch it off. What's the difference? I like that they made the front cover easy to remove. These buttons are not that bad. I am changing them though, but I'm keeping them for parts. Even the body shell maybe is not to be thrown to the trash yet. So this metal frame has a few hits. Well, this is the main board. I'm not going to take the camera out, I'll just clean the main board as it is. As for this thing, I'll see if I have another metal frame like this. If not, I'll keep that or try to straighten it up. The numeric board, the buttons, or how do you call them? So these are the LEDs for the backlight. Well, I did start this process, now I must continue. Or not. No, I'm not going to continue. I'm going to leave it like this, not open it at all, because I'm afraid I might not use it anymore. Yeah. Oh, I was wondering how was I going to take this out, and it just fell. So this is the antenna, speaker, and the resonator box. Time to take it out. I like it when parts are detachable. And do a bit of cleaning here, even though it appears to be pretty clean. Interesting. The power button, this one definitely needs cleaning. This thing is not glued, it's held in with these two clamps. Mother. There we go. Here and these two. If you take one out, the other will just fall off. Battery connectors. Vibration motor. This is the microphone here. This just holds this thing in place. The charging port and I believe the data port or speaker ports. I think speaker, yeah, and that time they didn't have data ports. There you go. And yeah, this is just an adapter with the microphone inside. I mean, it's much more convenient to do it this way, you know. And there you have it. That's the microphone. I'm not gonna try to take these out. Or should I? You know what, I'm gonna try. So here's where it's holding. It went directly under the desk, but I caught it. Yay. It's out in one piece. And I didn't even scratch it. Good. Melted plastic. Worse. Well, to clean this, I will have to give it a godlike cleaning. Let me start with the parts that I can leave alone afterwards. Might as well clean this one as also. Yeah, on second thought, I'm not changing this thing. And it's easy to dent back, straighten back actually. This is very soft metal. I don't think this is plastic. Okay. Now I'm going to go clean this. I'm going to go to my sink and wash this with soap, since I'm going to paint this. Okay, still a bit wet here and there. And to dry it. Now I must prepare it for paint. This might take a while. Now I just realized that I dried it for no reason, since I'm going to put it in water anyway. Wait, how abrasive is this? Good enough. Alright. Now I need to take everything from here so I don't damage it, you know. Actually, I can even assemble some parts now. Yeah, let's do that. Let's assemble some parts. Well, this is one part. I'm taking these just to be sure that I don't lose them, you know. Now that I'm looking at it like this, it even looks good in white mate. But now I have a special paint for it. I'll let this dry even more for a while and be right back. Alright, time to cover the dents. Here is where it's gonna be a bit tricky, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna let this dry for now. Well, it dried enough. And to rub it with a smoother one. May not be perfect here, but it's too close to the form, you know. I'll go let this dry and start painting it. So I've given some primer on it. Now I have to let it dry overnight actually, because it takes a lot of time for it to dry. It may not be 100% perfect, but it's kind of the best I can do. It's kind of bad that it has here one dot close between those things. Maybe it won't look that bad. Yeah, I'll see tomorrow. So nothing to do tonight. Yeah, so sorry that I could not show you the painting process. I don't have the conditions right now to film outside, but it's done. This is how it looks. And I think it looks pretty awesome, in my opinion anyway. Pearl white. I originally thought that these little black dots that appeared here are dirt, but it's not. This is how the paint is supposed to be. On this particular paint, apparently. Well, I'm happy how it looks. And to clean this, well, the paint will be, let's say, completely dry after a month. Until then, it will look like this. Well, until then I have to be careful with it, because I can sink my nail into it, you know. Microphone, the charging port, and whatever port that is, I think audio, the power button, looking great already, nice. Yes, almost forgot the infrared port, battery connectors, and the whole speaker assembly with the antenna. Now I can put this in. Do have to put these little doors back, or sliding doors, and two new buttons. Oh boy, yeah, you. And this is how the finished foam looks like. What do you think? Fingerprint magnet. So this is the phone now. I think it looks pretty good. What are your thoughts? Leave a comment. Tell me your honest review, please. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and like always, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye. Bye.